Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K. D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In last lecture we detail discuss kingdom Animalia chapter content concepts, phylum Chordata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces contain classes Chondristhies, Ostisthies. We detail discuss difference between Chondristhies and Ostisthies, cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. Today we learn some more concept including kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Tetrapoda, different classes of Tetrapoda like Amphibia, Reptilia, aves and mammals. We learn today all four classes including Tetrapoda, Amphibia, Reptilia, aves, mammals. So let us start. First class known as Amphibia, phylum Chordata. You know outline classification chart of Chordata. Here phylum Chordata divided into three subphylums: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata under two divisions, Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Division Gnathostomata under two superclasses classes Pisces and Tetrapoda. Tetrapoda superclass contain Amphibia, Reptilia, aves and mammals. You know superclass Tetrapoda. This animal group bears two pair of appendages. Some animal like snake are secondarily limbless. Superclass Tetrapoda include four classes: Amphibia, Reptilia, aves and mammals. We learn class Amphibia. You know amphi means both and bia means life. Both life seen in amphibian animals means aquatic as well as on the land. Example, rana frog, buffalo toad, salamandra salamander, Ichthyophis limbless amphibian, and Hyla tree frog. Seen here diagrammatic representation. This one is frog. Second diagrammatic representation in our textbook noted. So this is buffalo toad and this one is salamander. So in our textbook noted these two diagrams, frog, toad and salamander. We learn different characteristics of phylum. Amphibian animals live on land as well as in water. Water means only fresh water. On the land as well as in the water found in amphibian animals. Best example, frog, present in land as well as in water. They are poikilotherms, means they cannot regulate their body temperature, so called as poikilotherms. Body is divided into head and trunk. Neck and tail is usually absent in many adult. Head and trunk, body divided into two parts. Neck, tail usually absent in many adults with few exceptions. Two pair of limbs arises, pectoral and pelvic girdle respectively. Four limbs are attached to pectoral girdle while hind limbs are attached to pelvic girdle. locomotion takes place by limbs, means pectoral girdle attach forelimbs as well as pelvic girdle attach hind limbs are useful for locomotion. Skin is moist glandular with mucus gland. Skin is moist glandular, present different glands with mucus glands are present in the skin. Exoskeleton is absent. Eyelids are present, means in aquatic life eyelids are most important for protection of eye. Tympanum represent ear, means hearing organ. Tympanum present amphibian animals. Excretory products, digestive waste and gametes released through a common chamber called as cloaca. Always remember, cloaca is a common chamber in which released gamete, digestive waste and excretory product. Circulatory system is closed type. Heart is three chamber, Pisces, chondristine thighs and osteocytes two chambered heart seen in cartilaginous fish as well as bony fish. But amphibia is evolved from Pisces. So amphibian animal show three chambered heart. इथं आपल्याला क्लिअरली इव्हॉल्युशन झालेलं दिसून येतं. याच्या आधीचा जो गट होता तो सुपर क्लास Pisces contain class chondristhies and osteocytes. Fishes show two chambered heart. So after amphibia is emerge or develop, means three chambered heart seen in amphibia, so evolved from Pisces. So heart is three chamber in amphibia and ventral in position. No doubt all chordata animals show heart is ventral in position. RBC is biconvex and nucleated. Red blood cell biconvex shape also present. Up to this we detail discuss total 14 different characteristics of amphibia. Now 15th one characteristics. Respiration is by skin, lungs and buccopharynx seen in amphibia. So these are the amphibian respiratory organs: skin, lungs and buccopharynx. Nervous system is well developed seen in amphibia. Sexes are separated, means unisexual. These are oviparous, means amphibian animals are egg-laying animals. Fertilization is external, outside the body. Development is indirect through aquatic larval stage, means in the water larva is metamorphosed to form adult. So aquatic larval stage through development of amphibian animals, adults are formed. Frog, when at the time of larval condition larva is present in the fresh water, so metamorphose process takes place to form adult. Such adult is live on land as well as in water. They show metamorphosis, means larval stage is convert into adult. Up to this we detail discuss total 21st different characteristic features of amphibia. Hope that you understood everything. Now reptilia class. Reptilia rapier means to creep or crawl. Creep means सरफटणे, आपण म्हणतो creeping करणे. Crawl fast run करणे. So reptilian animals are creeping or crawling animals. Example, cobra naza naza genus species, crocodile crocodilus, turtle chelonia, tortoise testudo, wall lizard hemidactylus, tree lizard chameleon, crate bengarus. So here noted all these are different examples. Turtle and tortoise are different from one another. In our textbook noted viper is also one of the species of reptilia. So this is the crocodile. You know, crocodile on the body surface present horny scales. Second example, here tortoise and turtle means turtle and tortoise are not same. Turtle is completely aquatic while tortoise is terrestrial. So this is the difference between turtle and tortoise. Also here tortoise noted in our textbook diagram. This one is wall lizard. So wall lizard, tortoise, crocodile are noted in our textbook notebook reptilian animals. We learn different characteristics of reptilian animals. This group include crawling animals, means fast running animals. These are first true terrestrial vertebrates because they completely live on the land, so they are called as true terrestrial vertebrate. Most of time this question is asked, which one is first true terrestrial vertebrate? Reptilia. Few may be aquatic or semi-aquatic, also found in marshy area. Few may be aquatic, semi-aquatic, also found in marshy area. Locomotory organs are limbs, means with the help of limbs whole body transfer from one place to another place, locomotion takes place. The limbs are pentadactyl and digits bears claws. Pentadactyl limb and digits bears claws. Seen here diagrammatic representation. Pentadactyl limb, each pentadactyl digit show claws bears. So these are the claws. Pentadactyl limb, digit bear claw is one of the most important characteristic features of reptilia. But snake like animal reptilia limbless, means limbs are completely absent. So snake crawl on their belly. Belly means abdomen. With the help of abdomen, snake crawling, fast running takes place. Always remember, snake crawl on their belly. Up to this we detail discuss total 7 different characteristics of reptilia. Number 8, reptilia are poikilotherms, means they cannot regulate their body temperature. Skin is dry, non-glandular and covered by exoskeleton epidermal scales or scutes, shields and plates. So exoskeleton epidermal scales, scutes, shield and plates. Lizard and snake shed their skin. Lizard and snake include in reptilia shed their skin periodically. Tympanum is present in reptilian animals. Such tympanum is useful for hearing organ. So such hearing organ is also absent in snakes. So snakes have not hearing organs. Lateral line sense organ is present. Through lateral line sense organ, sensation is received by snakes. Always remember, heart has two complete auricles, but ventricles are incompletely partitioned. Means ventricle is not completely divided into right and left side, but auricles are completely divided into right auricle and left auricle. So such heart is also called as 3.5 chambered heart. Means here also evolution takes place from amphibia, because in amphibia only 3 chamber heart is seen, but here two complete auricles and ventricles are incompletely partition. Means not completely 4 chamber, but not 3 chamber is also. Means 3.5 chamber heart seen in reptilian animals. So heart is not perfectly 4 chambered except crocodile. You know crocodile. So crocodile, reptilian animal, 4 chambered heart is seen. Most of time this question is noted: which reptilian animal show 4 chambered heart? Crocodile. Number 14, brain is well developed seen in reptilia. The olfactory lobe and cerebellum are better developed. Olfactory lobe and cerebellum are better developed than those of amphibians. You know cerebellum, small brain. You know cerebrum, large brain. So cerebellum is balancing organ present in reptilia, present in the brain. So cerebellum is better developed. Olfactory lobe is also better developed, but cerebrum is not developed. Always remember, reptilian animals, cerebrum is not better developed. Cerebellum and olfactory lobes are better developed. The sexes are separated, show prominent sexual dimorphism. Means male and female individual are prominently seen on the basis of different characteristic features. Fertilization is internal. Means male and female gamete fuse to form zygote inside the female body. They are oviparous, egg-laying animals. Oviparous, egg-laying animals. Except viper is a reptilian animal, is viviparous. Means they give directly birth their young ones. Other than viper, reptilian animals are oviparous. Show parental care in viper. Up to this we detail discuss total 18 different characteristic features of reptilia. Now we learn one more class known as aves, also called as birds. Example: pigeon, columba, parrot, ostrich, flightless bird, kiwi, penguin, crow, vulture, sparrow. Pigeon, parrot, ostrich, kiwi, penguin, crow, vulture, sparrow. In our textbook noted diagram, this is parrot, no doubt. This one is ostrich, you know, a flightless bird. Vulture, seen here, vulture diagram, and sparrow. So here 4 different birds noted in our textbook. We learn different characteristics of ewes. 4 limbs are modified into wings for flying. 4 limbs modified into wings. 4 लिम्बचं रूपांतर कशात झालेलं असतं? पंख्यांमध्ये, आणि त्यांचा यूज होतो फ्लाइंग. Some birds have lost fly capacity. Example, ostrich is flightless bird because they have lost fly capacity. Hind limbs are used for walking, clasping the tree branches, and running. Hind limbs useful for walking, clasping the tree branches, and running. Aquatic birds have webs between their toes. Best example, duck, aquatic bird. Their hind limb show webs in between toes. Due to webs present in between toes, easy swimming process takes place by duck. Body is streamline boat shape. You know, streamline body means anterior end is pointed, boat like shape seen in the body, so called as streamline body. Due to streamline body, reduce the resistance during the flight. Reduce the resistance during the flight. Look like aeroplane shape. Reduce resistance during the flight. These are homeotherms, means regulate their body temperature. So ewes or birds are first vertebrate animal group seen in homeotherms because they maintain their body temperature. When outside body temperature is fall, maintain their body temperature. When outside body temperature is rise, maintain their body temperature. Means ewes are homeotherms, maintain their regulate body temperature, so they are called as homeotherms. ज्याला आपण उष्ण रक्ताचे प्राणी म्हणतो, homeotherms. Warm blooded animals also, their body temperature remains constant, means not effect on outside temperature, their body temperature is constant. Exoskeleton is made up of feathers. आपण ऐकलंय पक्षी पिसांनी आच्छादन केलेले असतात. means exoskeleton made up of feathers. Scales are present on hind limbs. Scales are present on hind limbs, seen here diagrammatic representation. Hind limbs on present scales. Next, number 7, body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Head, neck, trunk and tail. Trunk means thorax and abdomen. Before that, neck present, and neck is connected to head. Skin is thin, dry, non-glandular except oil gland at present base of the tail. Such oil gland called as uropygial gland. Uropygial gland is also called as oil gland present in base of the tail, secrete oil. Bones are hallopneumatic. Bones are hallopneumatic with air cavities are present in the bones. Due to this, reduce the body weight. Due to this, reduce the body weight. पक्ष्यांना बॉडी वेट रिड्यूस करण्यासाठी त्यांचे जे बोन्स असतात ते हॅलो पोकळ असतात, बिकॉज इनसाइड इट प्रेझेंट एअर कॅव्हिटीज, अँड ड्यू टू दिस रिड्यूस बॉडी वेट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, up to this we detail discuss 9 different characteristics of class Aves. Number 10, jaws are without teeth modified into beak, ज्याला आपण चोच म्हणतो. jaws are without teeth modified into beak. Now 11 number character, crop and gizzard are present in digestive system. You know, these two organs are specially seen in digestive system of birds. Crop is specially for storage of grains. आपण बघितलंय पक्षी दाणे खातात. So such grain is stored in the crop, and crop is leads to gizzard organ. Such gizzard organ is grinding and crushing the grains. Look like flour. So crop and gizzards are present in digestive system. Crop stored the grain, gizzard grind and crush the grain. Then the crushing, grinding food material is transferred into the stomach of the birds. Always remember, crop and gizzard are present in digestive system of the birds. Blood is red in color due to presence of red blood cells. RBC, red blood cell, is biconvex with nucleus is present, means nucleated. Heart is perfectly four-chambered. Always remember, first four-chambered heart seen in a class Aves. No doubt four-chamber heart seen in reptilian, last animal crocodile is also, but clearly seen evolution takes place. Aves are modified from or evolved from reptiles. So Aves or birds show perfectly four-chambered heart, two auricles, right and left auricle, two ventricles, right and left ventricle. They show double circulation because completely four-chambered heart is present. Respiration takes place by lungs, having air sacs to increase the buoyancy. Always remember, respiratory system contain lungs having air sacs are present, and due to air sacs present in the lungs increase the buoyancy of the birds or Aves. Brain is enlarged, has well developed cerebellum and for equilibrium. You know, cerebellum is most important part of the brain for specially equilibrium. Such cerebellum balance of the body organ of the brain is well developed, seen in ewes or birds. Next, number 18, sexes are separated with prominent sexual dimorphism, means male and female bird we easily identify. Number 19, these are the oviparous, means egg laying animals. Fertilization is internal. Parental care is well developed, seen in all birds. So birds are making nest. Parental care seen in the nest making also. Their child's caring easy seen in the bird's habitat. Seasonal migration seen in some birds. Some special seasons, some special birds are observed, means seasonal migration seen in some birds. Up to this we detail discuss total 22 different characteristics of ewes. We learn special features of ewes or birds. Special features of ewes or birds. What are the special features of ewes or birds? Number 1, urinary bladder is one of the part of excretory system is absent. Why urinary bladder is absent in ewes or birds organisms? Seen here, this part is cloaca. This is the cloaca, not urinary bladder. Inside it ureter open. Ureter is connected to kidneys. So our excretory system present urinary bladder for specially temporary storage of urine. But in birds such urinary bladder is completely absent. Cloaca is present. So urinary bladder absent is one of the special feature of ewes. Second one, the female show presence of only left ovary and left oviduct. Female bird show presents only left ovary and left oviduct. Seen here diagrammatic representation. Female reproductive system of bird. Seen, this part is ovary. Ovary is a primary sex organ, produce eggs. So such ovary is connected to oviduct, and this part is only seen in left side, not seen in right side. Means only left side ovary and oviduct is developed in ewes or birds, or present or show in ewes or birds. So both features, means urinary bladder absent. Female bird show only presence of left ovary and oviduct. So both features help reduce body weight. दोन्ही जे स्पेशल फीचर्स आहेत, हे दोन्ही स्पेशल फीचर्स दिसण्याचं कारण रिड्यूस बॉडी वेट, वजन कमी करण्यासाठी युरिनरी ब्लॅडर ॲबसेंट असतो, त्याच्या जागेवर क्लोएका असतो. ओनली लेफ्ट साइड ओव्हरी अँड ओव्हिडक्ट इज प्रेझेंट असते. राईट साईडला आपल्याला ओव्हरी ओव्हिडक्ट दिसून येणार नाही ड्यू टू रिड्यूस ऑफ बॉडी वेट. So these are the special features of ewes. Up to this we detail discuss class ewes or birds. Hope that you understood everything. Now we learn class Mammalia. Example: bat, rat, monkey, camel, whale, human being, dog, cat, elephant, horse, flying fox, oviparous mammal, ornithorhynchus platypus, oviparous mammal, ornithorhynchus platypus, viviparous mammal, kangaroo. Rat, bat, monkey, camel, whale, human being, dog, cat, elephant, horse, flying fox, ornithorhynchus platypus and kangaroo are the mammalian species noted in our textbook. Seen here monkey diagram, second diagram noted in our textbook. Camel, third diagram is oviparous mammal organism, ornithorhynchus platypus. So this is the ornithorhynchus platypus, and last one is kangaroo. You know, kangaroo is marsupial animal present a pouch present animal called as marsupial animal. Such animals are mostly seen in Australia. You know, kangaroo. So here noted, all these diagrams are noted in our textbook. We learn different characteristics of mammalia. Present mammary gland, milk producing organ. Present mammary gland. What is mammary gland? It is one of the milk producing organ for nourishment to young ones. Young ones mean child. For nourishment, food material to young ones, producing milk by mammary gland. These are omnipresent, means mammals are found in everywhere. Like mostly terrestrial on the land, some are aquatic in the water, some are aerial means in the air, and some are arboreal means on the tree. So terrestrial, aquatic, aerial, arboreal habitats seen in mammalian animals. Limbs are the organs locomotion and used walking, flying, climbing, burrowing, swimming. Body is differentiated into head, neck, trunk, and always remember we are included in mammalia class. So here noted all characters are related to ourself. You know, our body is divided into 4 parts: head, neck, trunk means thorax and abdomen, tail. Our tail is rudiment, degenerate, but monkey seen tail. So head, neck, trunk and tail are different body parts of the mammalian animals. These are homeotherms, means regulate their body temperature. Their body temperature becomes constant. Exoskeleton is in the form of hairs, furs, nails. Hairs, furs, nails, exoskeleton form. Hooves and horns also. Hooves and horns also exoskeleton forms. Skin is glandular, having sweat gland, ज्याला आपण घाम ग्रंथी म्हणतो. Also sebaceous gland, oil gland present in the skin. Mammary gland are modified into sweat gland. Always remember, our skin contains sweat gland are modified to form mammary gland on the ventral body surface. Two mammary gland are developed from two sweat gland. They have external ears, pinna, external ear or pinna, especially for hearing. They show heterodont dentition because our teeth is different types. Some are canines, incisor, premolar and molar. Means teeth show heterodont dentition. Always remember which type of dentition seen in mammalian animal. Heterodont dentition. RBC, red blood cell, shape biconcave, enucleated, means nucleus is absent, seen in mammalian animals. Blood is red in color because in the blood large number of RBCs are present. In the RBC contain hemoglobin, so our blood is red color. Mammalian blood is red color. Heart is four chambered, ventral in position. No doubt all chordata animals heart is ventral in position, but different number of chambered seen in chordata. Pisces, Chondristhais, Ostisthies, fishes, two chambered. Amphibia, three chamber. Reptilia, not completely four chambered, but crocodile seen four chambered. Birds or aves four chambered, and mammalia is also four chambered. Respiration takes place by lungs. We respire lungs, 16 number. Brain is highly developed. Cerebrum, large brain, show transfer band called as corpus callosum. On the cerebrum present corpus callosum transfer band is one of the main characteristic features of mammalian animals. Few mammals are oviparous, means egg-laying mammals. Example, duck-billed platypus is oviparous mammal. Some have pouches for development of immature young ones or child. These are called as marsupial animals. Means those marsupial animal show pouches for development of immature young ones or childs. Best example, mammalia, kangaroo is marsupial animal, show pouches for development of immature young ones. Majority of mammals are placental mammals, also viviparous mammals. Placental mammal means at the time of embryo development, fetus develop in the uterus, so such fetus provide from mother blood food material, immunity power through placenta. So majority of mammals are placental mammals. Also viviparous means they give directly birth their young ones. Up to this we detail discuss total 20 different characteristic features of mammalia. A review today's topic. We learn today phylum Chordata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Tetrapoda, different classes of Tetrapoda, Amphibia, Reptilia, aves, mammals. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ questions. Number 1. Which of the following release through a common chamber cloaca in amphibians? Digestive waste, excretory product, gametes, all of this. Yes, the correct answer is all of this. Means in the cloaca chamber amphibia, digestive waste, excretory product and gametes are released. So correct answer is all of these. D option. Second MCQ. Which type of dentition found in mammals? Homodont, thecodont, heterodont, monophycodont. Yes, the correct answer is heterodont, because mammalian dentition show different types of teeth called as heterodont. Which of the following shed their scale as skin periodically? Snake, lizard, both A and B, none of this. Yes, the correct answer C option, both A and B, means snake and lizard shed their scales and skin cast periodically. Means option C, both A and B is correct. The first vertebrate which are warm blooded: Reptilia, Amphibia, aves, mammals. Yes, aves is first vertebrate which are warm blooded. Now short answer question. Reptiles are known for having 3-chambered heart. Which animal show near 4-chambered condition in reptiles? Yes, crocodile is one of the reptilian animals show near 4-chambered heart. Pinna is a part of external ear and it is found in mammals. Do aves and reptiles show? Aves and reptile not show external ear. It show tympanum is a hearing organ. Bird need to keep their body wet, light to help the flying. Hence they show presence of some organs only one side. Show their skeleton help reducing their weight. Yes, skeleton contain bones are hollow, pneumatic contain air cavities. Due to this help reducing the body weight. Short answer question. Fish and snake both have scales. How do these scales differ from each other? Fishes body covered by dermal scales, while snake body covered by epidermal scales. Fishes body covered dermal scales are placoid, cycoid, ctenoid, but snake body covered epidermal scales are horny, shelly, shelty. Name the oviparous mammal. Yes, duck-billed platypus is a oviparous mammal. Aves and mammals are homeotherms, give reason. Because aves and mammals, they regulate their body temperature. Their body temperature is constant, so they are called as homeotherms. Mammalian cerebrum show transverse band called as corpus callosum. What is marsupial animal? Yes, those animal have present pouch for development of immature young ones. Such mammal called as marsupial animal, and best example marsupial animal known as kangaroo. Dash dash are modified sweat gland. Yes, mammary gland are modified sweat gland. Name the viviparous reptile animal. Yes, viper is viviparous reptile animal. Identify ABC animal and give its classes. Here A animal crocodile, class Reptilia. B Ornithorhynchus platypus, egg-laying mammal, oviparous mammal. Seen here C ostrich, class bird or aves. Crocodile, class Reptilia. This one is Ornithorhynchus platypus, class mammal. Ostrich, class aves or birds. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube BioInfo channel. Tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.